know they really again, cause I speak in pidgin. So follow up my rapping style like it's a religion. I'm cooking beats and rhymes from my quest kitchen. You listen tight like you were on a mission. I took time just to understand this game, and I understand say you get nothing but pain. What a shame. My name keeps ringing in your brain, in your house, on the street, till you nearly go insane. My name, okay, everybody knows. Them say I don't get money, now I don't depose. Now why when I walk up past, them go carry nose. Who knows what they carry for mine till it all shows. My flow keeps you high like some bottles of stout. I ran for the ajibotas and all the touts. My mouth spits fire till I fucking retire. I'm like the Igbo Messiah.
I'm on my way, rising to the top. I'm on my way, I'm never gonna stop. I'm on my way, I'm rising to the top. I'm on my way, oh yeah.
Well, if you add 2 plus 2, then your answer is 4. That's why all my fans keep bugging me for more. Are you sure that you are my friend or my enemy? Separate the truth and the lie from what you're telling me, and let you see how I be with my fans. They love me, I love them, and that's where it's all stand. Man, people keep choking me with hate. I guess that's the way it goes when you elevate my states. Abia, Umuahia is the town. I still get other places where I get down. First tag, Surulere where I was born. Ajao Estate, that's where I blew my
I'm
horn.
on my way, rising to the top. I'm on my way, I'm never gonna stop. I'm on my way, I'm rising to the top. I'm on my way, oh yeah.
When L leave Niger to United States, it be like say my life been just close gates. My fate come scatter like Lagos State, like say I dey kindergarten with a clean slate. I day house for 5 days just to meditate. That's when I met T-Joe and Big Low. They gave me the spirit to catch with my soul and bring out the energy I kept down low. Oh no, and that is the label. The trap stay alive and still remain stable. I'm able to spit through the microphone cable. Been doing this from the
I'm
cradle.
on my way, rising to the top. I'm on my way,